Good morning students. In today's class we will study about audio amplifier. In this chapter we mainly focus on three topics. The first topic is what is audio amplifier. The second is block diagram of audio amplifier, and the third we discuss each components of block diagram in brief. Let us start with first topic, that is what is audio amplifier. Before audio amplifier, we try to understand what is amplifier. Amplifier is an electronic device which done amplification. Amplification means to increase the strength of the signal, means to increase the magnitude of the signal. Like in a given diagram, when we fed a small amplitude signal into amplifier, we get a signal which has large in magnitude at the output. That means amplifier is nothing but an electronic device which increase the strength of the signal. Here audio refers to audio frequency signal. The range of audio frequency signal we already know from 20 Hz to 20 kHz. When we combine both the term audio plus amplifier, it becomes audio amplifier, and audio amplifier is an electronic device that amplifies low power audio signal to a high power audio signal so that it can drive loudspeaker and headphone. The second topic is block diagram of audio amplifier. Audio amplifier mainly consists 5 stages. The first stage is microphone. The second stage is preamplifier. Third is tone and volume controls. Fourth is power amplifier. And the last stage of audio amplifier is loudspeaker. The first stage of an audio amplifier is microphone. Microphone is a kind of transducer that converts sound signal into an electrical signal. Electrical signal can be a voltage signal, can be a current signal, can be a power signal. The question arises here, what is transducer? The transducer is a device that convert one form of energy into another form of energy. For example, bulb, it convert electrical energy into light energy. Motor is also a transducer that convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. Like this, pressure and temperature transducer is also there, which convert pressure and temperature into electrical signal respectively. So any device that convert one form of energy into another form of energy, we can say it is a transducer. So microphone is also a kind of transducer which convert sound energy into electrical energy. The second stage of an audio amplifier is preamplifier. Microphone converts sound energy into electrical signal, and the sound energy is the energy possessed by the vibration of air molecules. That vibration is converted into electrical signal by microphone, and that electrical signal is very weak in magnitude. So we fed this weak electrical signal into preamplifier so that preamplifier convert a weak electrical signal into strong electrical signal that enough to be noise tolerant. That means the noise cannot affect the signal and can be used for further processing. So preamplifier amplifies the small audio signal, that is small voltage signal we get from the microphone, and preamplifier always used next to the input device like microphone, and preamplifier amplifies small signal just balance enough to be fed to the next amplification or next stage, that is tone and volume control or a power amplifier. The next stage of an audio amplifier is tone and volume control. Tone and volume control adjust the nature of audio signal. Tone can adjust the frequency of the audio signal. It can balance the high and low frequencies, and the volume control adjusts the strength of the signal, that is magnitude of the signal. The next stage of an audio amplifier is power amplifier. It amplify and increase the power of audio signal. Question arises, why we cannot use power amplifier at the initial stage? Why we used pre-amplifier at the initial stage of any audio amplifier? Because power amplifier always need a signal which is above certain threshold. If the signal is below that level, power amplifier doesn't processing that signal and amplify it. So basic requirement is the input signal for any power amplifier must be a large signal. Large signal means the magnitude of signal should be large so that the power amplifier pick up the signal and amplify it. But the output of microphone is very weak electrical signal in the range of microvolt. Power amplifier doesn't pick up the signal and amplify it. So first it fed into preamplifier. Preamplifier increase the strength of the small signal enough so that the noise cannot affect the signal, and further it can fed to the amplification stage, that is the power amplifier. Power amplifier increase the power of the signal to the enough level so that it can drive loudspeaker. The next topic is the difference between preamplifier and power amplifier. The power amplifier amplifies the power of the signal, and preamplifier is nothing but a voltage amplifier and current amplifier which increase the voltage level of a signal or a current level of a signal. The second difference is the input signal of a power amplifier must have a large magnitude, we already discussed, and in voltage amplifier, that means in preamplifier, the magnitude can be a low. The voltage amplifier mainly amplifies the weak signal, small signal, into a large signal. And the last stage of audio amplifier is loudspeaker. Loudspeaker work just opposite the microphone. Loudspeaker is also a kind of a transducer which convert the audio signal, that is the electrical signal, into sound energy. Hope you understand the block diagram of audio amplifier.